It's really good. This is probably the best quality, high quality sushi you'll get around, if you ask me anyway. Well, it's cold in here. Okay. Alright, so it's changed. Hello, how are you? Alright, all the chefs. So this place has changed around. It used to be all at the front and now they've moved sort of to the back. What? Alright. This used to be like a private function centre or something like that. So, hello. Alright, so we've got a little booth we're going to sit at. So it's Yuli's birthday today. So this is what she wanted to have, is sushi tea. I think they sent her, there's actually an app here, you can download the app, and if you spend so much you get sort of discounts or something like that, you know. So, and they sent her a birthday wish. Did you get a discount or something? Yeah. What did you get?
20% off.
And so 20% off through the app for her birthday. So anyway, that's why we're here. So the menu is absolutely huge. You can get cooked meals or you can get sushi, and that there's no way I can go through all that. So they've got all these cards here, which are the specials and stuff. And this looks very good. Beef garlic steak with vegetables. So there's all sorts of specials. What's this? A Wagyu fried rice, by the look of it. Drinks and wine. So there's alcohol here too. Alright, so there's actually a birthday sushi's here. Like, get a big plate, 300,000 or 290, it's about $30. Big plate of mixed sushi. There's a coffees. This might be just the drink menu, by the look of it. Cocktails. The menu's too big to go through. Wines, beer, they've got the Japanese rice wine, soju. I think it's Korean in it. All sorts of wines, Japanese wines, Australian wines. So the menu is huge in this place. There's just more or less every different type of sushi that you can think of in here. Rice bowls, sushis, you name it. Plus it's also like a sushi train. It's a bit early because it's only early in the afternoon, but by 4 or 5 o'clock at night, this sushi train, you can see them coming along now, it's just full of stuff and you can just take what you want and they charge you by what you get. Right, these are all beef bowls, chicken bowls, rice bowls, just basically every different type of sushi in the world, I think, in here. You name it, they got it. But I'm looking for a steak, so I might just have that steak, I think. Fish, seafood, lobsters, prawns, calamari.
Garlic stick medium to well, satu tori gyoza, minumannya iced tea tawar dan pure vanilla essence.
Okay, thank you.
Dengan senang hati. Berdiri hari ini.
Alright, so even though this is a sushi restaurant, I'm going to get a beef steak because I just haven't had a beef steak for so long. So, you know, it looks really good. So, they've got really good cooks in here. As you can see, they're all gearing up for the night at the moment. There's about 10 chefs in there. And they'll get going soon and then fill up the sushi tray and get it going. Or as people do orders, they do the orders, cooking orders in the back and all the sushi on the front. Alright, so Sushi Kyuden is right on the corner of Sunset Road and Chulann Murtasari. Chulann Murtasari runs right through into Paddy Atlantic and right down to Legown Street. So I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description. Okay, so you only got a milkshake and they put the ice cream separate with chocolate on it, so you can actually add it into your milkshake, or you can have it blended in, or you can ask for it separate. What's this?
Dynamite roll.
Right, so this is the dynamite roll. It's more or less sushi covered with cheese and mayonnaise and grilled. Alright, so this is the garlic steak. So it's got like garlic chips on it, steak, and some vegetables, tomato, mushrooms. Alright. And there's some type of sauce with it. It's only small, but anyway, we'll see what it's like. Haven't had steak for a long time, so. Okay, so I'm bloody hopeless with chopsticks, but we'll give it a go. So this is the steak, and they give you some sort of sauce to dip in it. It's nice actually. I wanted medium to well done, but it looks a bit rarer than that, but it's definitely nice. There's not much here, probably 100 grams of steak. It's only very small, but tastes good, yeah. And then there's like mushroom, little tomato. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Some potatoes, and a couple of little carrots. So these mushrooms are those little woody ones. I forget the name of them, but they're very nice actually. Something different to just normal mushrooms. We just eat chicken all the time, so it's been a long time since I've had. And it's like a plum sauce or something like that they give you with it. So we've got some gyoza. And what are these? These are like a beef. It's like thinly cut beef rolled up, and it's got cheese in the middle, and then it's crumbed and fried. Yeah, it's very nice. Alright, so they brought our little surprise present for Yuli for her birthday. Looks like a little salmon roll or something. Yeah. I wondered what was going on then. I just heard all this noise, everyone started singing. Wow, it looks good too, look at that. I think it's one of the salmon rolls or whatever they are. Alright, so I'm going to try one of these. Let's get rid of this plate. So this is more high-end sushi than what you'll get around town, a lot of places and that. It's very, very good quality. And if you ask me, it's the best sushi place around. So I'm going to try these gyozas. Everyone's probably tried gyoza before. They're pretty common. I love them. Very good. Are you choking on it? What's going on? It's hot, hot, hot. Alright, so now we're going to try one of these little beef sushi roll things. These are really good. As you can see, it's this really thinly sliced beef wrapped up in like mozzarella cheese. Yuli said the cheese is really, really hot. Oh wow. They are really good. Now we're fighting over these little beef rolls. Yuli said I've already had 3, but I've only had 2. It's so good, eh? Okay, so this is Yuli's little birthday present. So it's sort of all rice on the bottom, and then it's got salmon, some caviar, some cucumber by the look of it, and on the Japanese spice mayonnaise, which is really nice. Be interesting to see what that's like. Yuli said I can eat the cucumber. That's it. Okay, so this is like the dynamite roll, but a beef one. So what was your one? Fish, was it?
Yeah, crab stick.
So these aren't sushi, it's just like rice with all beef on top, and then the Japanese mayonnaise and stuff. See what this is like. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? So they couldn't fit like 45 candles on a plate, so they just had to give her one. Okay, so how was that birthday, girl? Good? Yeah, we're full. We ate enough. Alright, so it's about 475,000, but Yuli's gets a discount. If we spend over 370, get 20% discount. So it's about 40 bucks for all that. Thank you. Alright, that was good. So it used to be all in the front here, and you see the sushi train. Maybe they're renovating or doing something. There's a big beer garden out there. Outside you can sit right on Sunset Road. So I think they're still doing some work here, but yeah, very nice Sushi Kyuden. So there's one of this in the Beach Walk Mall too, down on Chulann Pantai in Legian. So yeah, what do you think, darling?
It was nice. I love it. Everyone singing happy birthday to me. Thank you.
darling.
All right, that's it. Birthdays are all out of the way for another year. Very good. All right, so anyway, check it out. Google Maps link will be there. I'll see you on the next video.